Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to set up Wix for easy inventory update and stock tracking. So enabling stock tracking, low stock alert and automations makes inventory and management effortless. Regular updates keep your store running smoothly, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can simply set up a Wix for easy inventory update and stock tracking. So let's get started, and make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So the first thing to do is to log into your Wix account, then open your website, then go to the dashboard and click on store products. Then make sure you in the products tab select a product, then scroll to inventory and variants, then toggle the track inventory on, then enter the stock quantity. For example, you can add up to 50 units available, then click save. Then after that, go to the dashboard and click on settings, then click on store settings, then scroll to inventory management and enable the low stock alert. Then set a threshold. For example, you can set an alert at 5 minutes left, then click on save. Then after that, in the store product, check the multiple product and click on product, click on manage inventory, then click on stock update or deep stock, then enter new stock level for all selected product, then click on save. And after that, you can also automate stock management with a Wix automation. To do that, go to the dashboard and click on automation, then click on create automation, then select when stock is low and has the trigger. Then choose the actions like send email notification to yourself on stuff, which is after that, then click on activate. And after that, can also sync your inventory with your external tools, which is very optional. To do that, go to the app market and search for inventory app like multi-order, then install and connect to your inventory across your platform, for example Amazon and eBay. Then click on publish to save changes and regularly check inventory levels for the dashboard. And that's how you can simply set up Wix for easy inventory update and stock tracking. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.